Welcome to our global drive-by-wire market. Drive-by-wire technology is revolutionizing the automotive world by replacing traditional mechanical controls with advanced electronic systems. In 2023, the global market was valued at around $22 billion, and it's projected to soar to nearly $40 billion by 2030. Let's look at the key drivers and trends. The surge in advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous vehicles is fueling this growth. There's also a rising demand for electronic safety features as well as stricter emission norms, and the push for greater fuel efficiency. Throttle-by-wire dominates applications, especially in passenger vehicles, while commercial vehicles are catching up thanks to electrification. Moving on to regional analysis. North America's market is set to reach about $6 billion in 2024, driven by strong automotive OEMs and tech innovation. Europe stands at $5 billion, led by Germany's robust manufacturing and strict emission standards. Asia-Pacific leads globally, with a value exceeding $9 billion thanks to booming production in China and government support for electric vehicles. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa are also seeing steady growth, with increasing demand for safer, modern vehicles and investments in luxury segments. What about the competitive landscape? Leading automotive manufacturers and tech giants are investing heavily in research and development. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.